Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can enable and customize the smooth scrolling feature in the Palemoon browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the Palemoon browser, open this menu in the top left and click into Preferences, and next into Preferences again here to the right. In your browser settings, switch to the Advanced tab on the very right hand side. Here guys, switch from general to scrolling, and here make sure that use smooth scrolling is enabled. And after that, you can customize the smooth scrolling parameters. For example, for the mouse wheel, the scroll duration, arrow keys, scroll duration, page up and down scroll durations. So to do that, click into these up and down arrows here to increase or decrease the duration to milliseconds, 400, 200, and so on and so forth. Or you can go with the overall smooth scroll speed by using this menu here. So let me increase it to, let's say, 110% for the sake of this tutorial, and then click into OK to apply these changes for the smooth scrolling feature. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.